Hey guys, it's me again, Carla, and welcome to the video. So for today's video guys, as you can see sa title and sa thumbnail, I'm gonna teach you on how to link your GCash card to your GCash app. Yeah! Okay guys, hindi ko alam kung pantay, but I have here my GCash card and my GCash app. Hold on. I'm gonna show you on how to link your GCash card to your GCash app. So without any further ado, let me start the tutorial. So first is, let's log in to your GCash. So, okay. Nakalog in na tayo. And then what you will do is, go to your profile and then tap on my link account and then go to GCash card. So let's just wait and see. So ayan, as you can see guys, since nag-order ako dati ng card via GCash app din. So, ito na yung aking card. So, ito na yan. Dumating na yan sa akin. And now, the next step that we're going to do is, okay, link my card. Okay. Ayan, yung OTP natin, automatically dumadating siya. So, ayan. Last digit of my card is 9642. I cannot show you my account number, guys. So, ayan. Once you tap your virtual account number, automatically, eto na siya. Nagli-link siya agad. So, now, what you will do is to formulate your password. So, I'm gonna put mine. So, it needs to have 6-digit account number. So, so, ayan. Once you're done, just stop done and next. And let's wait. So, ayan na yung ating reference number na nag-link na yung ating GCash card sa ating GCash app. So, tap OK. And then, voila! As you can see, ayan na siya. So, it's done guys. As you can see, successful yung ating paglilink ng ating GCash card sa ating GCash app. And, for today's video, that's all. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. And if you did, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And please turn on your post notification for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So see you guys on my next one. Bye! Peace!